We got the boys over here with their little training treats. Today's video, I'm going to be tempting the dogs as I walk away with some of their favorite treats. Starting with the smallest, their little training treats. I'm gonna tell them to wait and not to eat it till I come back. And I don't know if they're gonna listen or not because these boys are big foodies. We'll see who's obedient, who's not. First, we're gonna tempt them with these little training treats. These are really small. I'm not sure that they love them though. They've got other favorites too. I'm gonna set this treat here and set one here for Bandit. Okay, wait till mommy comes back, then you can have your treat. Wow, boys, you are so good. Dude, good boy. Okay, you're taking your brothers too. Bandit, you missed out. He's like, where's the other one go? Here, one more. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Bandit, you can have it. You're allowed to have it even though, oh. It's on a plate, so I think he's confused. Okay. Next is something a little bit bigger. These are just their daily vitamin that I give them every single day. They're a little bit bigger than the training treats. They really do love their vitamins though. We'll see how they do with this. It's a little bit bigger than the training treat. Hold. Hold. Wait till mommy comes back. Oh my goodness. Okay, Bandit's learning. He's like, hey, Dude's just gonna eat both of them, so I better go. Next, you can see Dude's tail is already wagging. I picked these up at PetSmart yesterday. These cookies are their absolute favorite. They look exactly like Oreos, which I've heard they're human grade and people can eat them, but if we ever need them to listen to us, we just say, come get a cookie, and they're so obedient. So let's see. Hold. Excuse me, Mr. Drooly. Hey, wait. This is Bandit. You ate yours. Okay, good boy, you waited. Dude! That was so much drool. I thought you were the obedient one. What's going on? We have some popcorn, which the boys never really get people food, but this is just gonna be a little test. Come here, Bandit. Come. Sit. You have to wait. 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 I'll be right back. Not be that tempting. Good boys. Good boys. Alright. These are some of their favorite treats too, as you can tell. They're little dream sticks, rawhide free. The boys love these. And as you can tell, Dude is really the foodie in today's video. I'll be right back, okay? You have to wait till mommy comes back. Waited. Good boys. Good boys. Okay, you want to go eat them over there? I don't know about your dogs, but these dogs are obsessed with cheese. We cannot pull out any cheese out of the refrigerator without paying that cheese tax. Oh, you hear the growling? Dude is ready to demolish this. You have to wait. I'll be right back. Good boys. Wow, you guys ate that really fast. For our final treat, we're gonna do their little ice cream cups. This is dog ice cream and they are obsessed with it. I don't think they love anything more, so the stakes are high. On the menu, we have Ben & Jerry's. This is pumpkin with mini cookies. Oh boy, I don't think they're gonna listen for this one. What do you guys think? Wait, you have to come around to your spot. Oh, he's already getting upset. I know this is gonna be hard because the ice cream is your absolute favorite. But you have to wait, okay? Till Mom comes back. Okay, you can have them in your beds. Come here. Come on, baby. This is normally how the boys like to polish off their ice cream cups in their beds in peace. And they are so happy now that I'm not making them wait any longer. Right, Bandit? You like your Ben & Jerry's? I'm gonna go ahead and let the boys finish their ice cream in peace. If you guys liked this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you guys think that we should do more videos like this or tempting the dogs with other food, leave a comment down below. Let me know what foods we should try with them. I'm actually very impressed with their obedience today. I think they did pretty good. So let us know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and we will see you really soon in the next video.